G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today, if you're wondering why my face looks not as put together as usual, we are finally back into another face painting tutorial. I know it has been forever, basically since I first started my channel, I think, the actual first time I started it, which was about June last year, maybe, August, I can't remember. Anyway, so I haven't done face painting since then, but today I thought I'd pull out something from the back of the book, sorry, itchy head, and I'm going to be showing you one of my easiest and favorite face paintings to do at a kid's birthday party, and it is a tiger face paint. This one's really easy because all you need is a sponge, one paintbrush, and 4 colors. So you need orange, yellow, white, and black. Depending on how busy you are or anything like that, you may or may not need the yellow, but yeah. So let's get started. I have a picture over here. I keep leaving things on the wrong side of the bench. Oh, when am I gonna learn? So I have a picture over here of a previous time I've done it, because I can't quite remember what it looks like, and I'm gonna see if I can improve on it a little bit. So the last time I did it, you know, it still looks like an amateur, but I'm not saying I'm any better, I'm saying that I'm trying to improve. So the first color you want is the white. Make sure you shake your paint up, because I haven't used these for a while, so they might decide that they're not gonna work on me, which is fine. It's just their way of saying, why don't you use this anymore? All right, and the white is going to be going basically here and up to here, so like a tiger would. So you're just going to, and this doesn't have to be a very thick layer, but it's gonna come out that way anyway because it's my paint. Okay, so that's the white done. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfectly even or anything like that, because you are under a bit of a time constraint right now. And yes, I am speeding the clips up to make it go a little bit faster, but that's because I didn't film yesterday, so this is being done in the morning again. I really need to stop doing that to myself, because I then complain about it the next day. My yellow's terrible. Oh, I need new paints. It's been a while. It's been a while since I did a birthday party or anything like that. But the yellow is just gonna go a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. So that's the gist of the yellow. I've just gone ahead and cleaned off my sponge because I'm only using the one today because the other one looks like crap. It's covered in blue, and I probably didn't wash it properly the last time I used it. So now we're going in with the orange. Oh good, my orange is fine. And the orange is going, now with this look, I'm not going to be doing anywhere across here, mainly because I have this spot here that I'm trying to get better. It's been like that for a week, and some spots here. But also because the less that you're doing on a face, the easier it'll be. And my voice just went really weird. I'm so sorry, guys. Alrighty. Alright, so that's the orange done. We're not really looking like much of a tiger yet. Whenever I do face painting, I tend not to try to go too close to the eyes. It has been a mistake I've made in the past on myself. I've never done it to a kid, but I have managed to get paint in my eye and it really, really stings. So yeah, this is the base of the tiger, basically. That was weird. But now you're just gonna take your black and you're gonna add the lines in, and I think the lines are the easiest part. Just before I do the lines, I'm going to do the nose and the mouth and everything like that. Now, putting paint on the lips is okay, as long as you ask the kid first, or ask the parent first, because you don't know how the kid's going to react to it or anything like that if you just do it. So just either say to them, is it okay if I put some on your lips? Or if they say no, just put the line above it. But yeah, obviously I'm doing this on myself, so I don't really care. Well, I can't see properly again today, and clearly that's a thing because I can't get lines to go straight either. Oh well. Alrighty, so that's the general gist of the mouth area, and that bit's done, and my black paint is being terrible to me. I need more paint. But yeah, so this is the mouth area. Again, please make sure you ask the child if they're okay with having paint on their lips, if they're old enough. If not, ask the parent. So now I'm just going to go in and do the rest of the face. And there you have it, your very average tiger face painting. This is definitely an improvement to what I usually do. I don't have any pictures to show you guys now, but yeah, my tiger face painting doesn't normally look like this. You don't have to be symmetrical with the stripes, it's just something that I tend to do sometimes. I'm looking at my tripod to see that my camera has shifted a little bit, but what a surprise. But yeah, if you're doing this quickly and you're not talking and explaining things through a video like I am, this is a very easy thing to do. And again, you don't have to worry about all the pieces being perfect. Kids are gonna love it regardless because it looks like a tiger. So that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.